And oh no. What I'm doing right now. But I just have to do this one. I was thinking of like a song. He's driving in his car. He's drinking the beer. I am a cook. I'm running for my life. He said DUI. He wants me to die. I'm running for my life. I did. He's driving his car, he's drinking a beer. He said, I'm a bum that's shaped like a deer. He says DUI, he wants me to die, running for my life. Now I hear him sing, little did you know I live about that. Now I'm naked. Fountain making concerned. I say to you, I'm running out of luck. 1, 2, 2, 8 dead of job application. Yeah. He's driving in his car. He's drinking a beer. He says, I'm a bum that's shaped like a deer. Now saying, I'm about to die. 100 miles an hour. He keeps on coming for me. I think he fills with gas. He's gonna get me soon. I won't last forever. He's about to get me. Dead on job application. Safe spot. Guys, I found a safe spot. One of them. I need to make it here. I'm cold. I'm hot. All of our opinions are incorrect in some way. You know? What happened? Bro goes car. Inge. That was funny. You cannot run. You will not run. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, I forgot. I'm ready. There's a job application. There's a ball magnet 1.2, 144. SpongeBob. What the frick? 10,000 seconds later, I'm going to explode. I'm about to explode in 6 seconds. Nah, bro. Hey, this guy just activated a quick time event. Mr. Krabs, hit the triangle. Hit the red triangle right now. What? What a nice day. I'm doing none of my business. There's just cars in the middle of the roadway. They will soon run over us. Go, 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 go as fast as possible. There's no luck here. I'll be doing this once. Oh, they may crash into this hole, but they will not get us. Remember, son, dying. Hi dear. It's really not that bad. It just needs a little bit more sweeping. It looks perfect. Well, it would be better because you just stopped them. Yippee-ki-yay. Golden, why didn't you tell us Ballister was working with whales? What? You would be the only person to know him, and you would say, "Oh, Ballister, it's okay if you bring your whale. Yeah, you're right. It's okay if you bring your whale, your pelican, and big fat unicorn." What? Yeah, it's big fat unicorn. It's a rhinoceros. Oh, what? It's a rhinoceros, bro. Well, you didn't save him, bro. I tried to save him, bro. Go. Also, why didn't you tell us Ballister was working with whales? What? You would be the only one to know him. And they all died. And this whole place is destroyed, bro. Well, I tried to save them, bro. Well, why did you let them in? When you're like, "Hey, Ballister, it's okay that you could bring your whale, your pelican, and big fat unicorn." What do you mean, big fat unicorn? Yeah, he had a big fat unicorn. That's a rhinoceros. I would have said rhinoceros if it was a rhinoceros. Driving in my car, there's still some virus, they won't give up until you're done. I need it. I need it. I need it. Oh, I need it. Amen. You know those guys who are like, I'm a voice actor. I always come back. Guys, I'm right here. Yoink. How many voices do I have? Let's see. Here's the normal voice. Here's the normal voice. Here is the great voice. Who's the big voice? Here's the voice I never talk about. No, please. I'm dying. Why? Why did Alfred leave you? Nick. Okay, so segments. What do you pick? I pick Skippy. Who do you pick? Oh, so that's good. There may be so much music in this lobby it might get copyrighted. I don't know anything about copyright, so I'll stay here for a while. 1,000 minutes later. You gotta be kidding me. Trying to hide in the buttons. Oh, so this is how you run? Good to know. Oh, so you can't run in the lobby. Okay. How many voices do I actually have? Just a boring voice, anyways. This is the great voice. This is the I am Steve voice.
This is the Dark Vader voice.
I'm still working on it. This is I am so done with Gorilla Tag right now voice. Let me explain. So there's this guy in the lobby and he kept on spamming reporting me and it actually got banned. Just to let you guys know, I didn't do anything besides spam report him before he did that. Get it? Ah, what a nice day. There's a driver who's about to crash into me.